Okay, so I am actually cooking right now, but I'm so excited about this slime. I just want to give you a sneak peek at the awesomeness that this one is. And I kind of wish you could smell it because it's amazing. I think it's called the Trippin' at the Carnival. I don't know, it has like a popcorn smell and a bunch of other stuff in it. It's amazing. Almost like a dessert smell too. It's really good. But look at this. You can hear the hash browns frying in the background. It even has the little, what are those called? I forgot what they're called. It's got the tiny microfloam and also the bigger, man. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so good. And I am actually going to mix this one with the clay. Yeah, this is amazing. I probably should have gotten two because I am going to play with it all the time. Look at that. Why can't I think of what those are called? I don't know. Okay. Yep. So good. Look at that. It's perfection.